Check the expiration date on the tube before collection. Make sure that the tube is not expired. Replace any expired tubes from your supplemental kit. Do not use an expired tube. Before centrifugation, you need to check to make sure the sample is clotted. A clotted sample will not move up and down the tube. It is one solid piece. I am using an EDTA tube to exemplify a non-clotted sample. As you can see, it is free-flowing and not one solid piece. Before the centrifugation, you need to make sure that it is one solid piece. After your tube is clotted, you're going to load your centrifuge. Place the tubes into the bucket and secure the lid. Make sure that the centrifuge is balanced and close the lid tightly. Set your centrifuge at 2000 Gs, converting to RPMs as necessary. Set your time for 10 minutes and your temperature for 4 degrees. And press the start button. Record the start time on your case report form. Next, you're going to set your pipette. You're going to be pipetting at 0.25 mLs. You can twist the pipette to the left or to the right to set it at the 0.25 mLs. Verify that you have it set correctly before using. After centrifugation, you're going to have 3 distinct parts. You're going to have your serum, your gel matrix, and your red blood cell clot at the end. You're going to transfer the serum from both 5 ml yellow top tubes into a clean 15 ml conical tube. Transfer the serum using the transfer pipette provided. Draw up the serum and transfer to the 15 ml conical tube. Repeat this process for the second tube. Dispose of your pipette into the appropriate biohazard waste container. Go ahead and securely close that 15 ml conical tube and gently invert to mix 3 to 4 times. Now we're going to transfer from our 15 ml conical tube into our red capped cryo vials. You're going to use the pipette provided by the study set at 0.25 mLs. Decap your conical tube and your cryo vial. Load the pipette tip onto the pipette and transfer the serum from the conical tube to the cryo vial. You're going to repeat this process for each of the remaining cryo vials. At the end, take the residual supernatant and place into the final cryo vial, making sure that you record on the case report form the barcode of that residual sample. You're going to dispose of that 15 ml conical tube into the appropriate biohazard bin and discard any remaining empty cryo vials. Record the number of cryo vials created on the case report form. Transfer the cryo vials in the sequential order to the cardboard box provided for shipment. Place all the samples in a -80 freezer until shipment. Place the samples upright while holding in the -80 freezer. Record the date and time the samples are placed in the freezer on the case report form.